on the beat.
Fools like them, they suss me out and then they ghost.
Hi guys, it's me. I'm here, and I'm here with your Thursday Dollar General scenarios. Yeah, I'm running a little late, but I think I'll have it done in time. But down in the description, I also left a few of the other ones in case you didn't use them before. You can use them again, or you can mix and match. But I did make 3 more scenarios for this Saturday. You know, you can do these any day of the week, but you're going to save more money if you do it on Saturday because you get the 5 off of 25 coupon. Okay, and also I wanted to mention, sometimes if there's a deal and you know you need it and you're afraid they're not going to have it in stock, then you can always do it during the week. You just won't save as much money. But sometimes it doesn't matter. I've been known to do that a few times. Okay, let me see where we start today. Oh, okay. So this week they have, if you buy 2 $5 bags of Reeses or Hershey's Halloween candy, you get 1 free. So basically you're paying $10 for $15 worth of candy. Well, they also have that Reese's coupon, if you remember. So this is my first scenario, and I'll have these all written down in the bottom. Oh, by the way, I forgot I'm Deb. If you're new here, I'm Deb. But I'll have these all written out in the bottom, and it's easier to see it, how it works out. And okay, you buy 3 $5 bags of Reese's Halloween candy, and you get $2 off, $6 off that too. So you're basically saving $7 off $15 of candy. So that's a good deal, and now we got to start saving up for that because, you know. Then I have 3 of the Scent Happy Hand soaps, and they're on sale this week, 3 for $4. Or it's either on sale or there's a coupon for it. But then you also have a buy 2 get 1 free. So you just buy the 3, and they all count. And then I put 1 Tide Simply Pods, and that's because one of my family members can't use the dyes and stuff and all the other things, so I just throw those in when I need something extra. That way it fills their Christmas basket too. Okay, and on this scenario, your total comes to $25.25. Your coupons are $6.25, so that brings you down to $19. Then minus your offers, you know, that's your instant savings and that, are $7.25. That brings you to $11.75, and my taxes were 38 cents, so that made it $12.13. But your taxes may vary. And then my 5 off of Saturday is $7.13 for a total of 7 items. So that's about $1 and a penny and a half is what it equals out to be for each item. And it's over 65% savings. Then also, now this one, I can't seem to get it to do on, and nobody can. There's a glitch in their app. For some reason, when you bring the jello up to the $6, it takes everything on your app to 0. So nobody's not sure how it's working yet. But it's supposed to work like this. Okay, I put 5 Tropical Sauve shampoo and conditioners, and you can mix and match them any way. And that'll come to $8.75, and you get a 2 off instant savings on that. And I don't normally buy Sauve, I'll be honest with you, because I feel like if I donate it, I'm a cheapskate, and I don't really use it on my hair. But my guy friend, he likes it, so I thought, well, you know, I'll do this for him, and then when it comes down to it, I'll do my, you know, the next time they got either on Aussie or Pantene or Whole Blends, I'll get that. So anyway, you get 5, and you can mix and match between the shampoo and the conditioner. That comes to $8.75, and you have to have the 2 off 8 instant savings. Okay, then also 2 Ace, Axe, it wrote 8, Ace, but it's supposed to be Axe. antiperspirant, and that's the solids, and those are the 325 ones. And that comes to $6.50, and there's 2 off $6 savings on that. And then 5 boxes of jello, or jello pudding, because I know those are working on it, because they're the ones that are turning it to 0. So those should be the ones working on it. Hopefully by Saturday they'll have it fixed, because I'm waiting for somebody else to try it. But anyway, your total comes to $26.25 minus $4 in coupons brings you to $22.25, and then your instant savings is another $4, and that's $18.25, and then your 5 off of 25 on Saturday brings it to $13.25. But you have to remember, you're also getting 12 items for that, and 5 shampoos and stuff. So, you know. And then I did another one, and I was really struggling to get this other one because I was trying to get things that were different, but nothing seemed to really come out right. So, but, you know, you can do these on every account you have. So, you know, you can, on every account you have, you can go in there and do one scenario with the 5 off 25, every account. So my third one was 3 bags of Reese's Halloween candy. And, you know, that's the buy 2 get 1 free plus the instant savings. And then 1 Centrum Silver vitamins, and those are $6.25, and you have a $1 off 25 coupon. And a Nivea body lotion, and that's $5, and there's a new $2 off 1 coupon. And then Nivea lip care, and it's $2, and you have a $1 off 1 coupon. Okay, and that brings you to $28.25. Minus your coupons of $7.25 bring you down to $21. Minus your instant savings of $5 brings you down to $16.96. And then minus your 5 off of 25 brings you to $11.96. And of course I left the ones from the previous weeks on here. So if you haven't used them, you can still use them, or you might want to put them in on your list and just to see if it still adds up the same, because you may have lost a coupon that you thought you had, you don't have now, or whatever. And there was something else I wanted to mention, but for the life of me, I can't remember what it was. For the life of me, I can't remember what it is. But anyhow, I figure that's 3. So what I do, oh, this is what I wanted to say. People, do your homework at home. That's why they call it homework, you know. Be ready with exactly what you're going to buy when you walk in the store. Because the longer you stay in that store, the more money you're going to spend. And, you know, we don't want to do that. We're here to save money, not spend money. So, go in, have planned exactly what you're going to get before you walk through the door. And if they don't have, if you have to hurry up and mix and match, just refer to your videos, or, you know, because what I would do is I would go to the description and I would copy and paste all that into my notes. That way I have it. And if I need to switch something, I can really fast. Because the longer you stay in that store, the more money you are going to spend. But anyway, that's this week's Coupon Thursday. I will have another video up tomorrow. I believe it's ice cream box and bag tomorrow. And I'll have that ready to go. So, hey, come on back. We do all kinds of unboxings. We do whatever we have to do to save money. Bye.